Well, first of all, I'm so happy to be playing again and with such great people. And to be on stage, it is also a very particular place, but I love being here because also, of course, I'm artistic director of a festival at Audi, so I feel very close to this place. And it was just a fantastic moment to play great music together and for so many people. We don't know how many there are, but I think there must be some. Well, I think usually we like to play also for the audience. This is for what classical music is meant to be. But we are finding solutions at the moment because we can't play for the audiences. And I'm so grateful that we had the chance to do it here with an incredibly professional team, with great cameras and microphones. Because if you are doing a concert online, then you really have to have the right tools also to produce the sound the right way because you need high quality like as if it was a live concert, and I'm really happy we could do it in such a way. It was a great acoustics. I know this place has been already used for a couple of classical concerts at the Audi Summer Concerts, and I have never been here before. What I liked is that we with the distance that we had, almost 2 meters between each players, we could still hear each other. We could hear ourselves. There was a nice short resonance, and what I also liked that there was a space, and you need this space to actually feel the acoustics, and that was actually very, very nice feeling. Well, of course, first of all, thank you to all the helpers and medical staff and all the people in the hospitals who are saving lives. I think these are the main heroes of today. I think they should be more kind of put in a more important place in the society in general, also with the salaries and everything. That's my opinion. But and also our solidarity goes to everyone who is at the moment in a big trouble, and these are all sorts of people in the world. And I think the solidarity is a word that will probably stay for a long time in our memory, because this is the moment since I live on this earth. This is the moment where I feel that people are really together, and there is something really nice about that too. And I think that suddenly we are all thinking about the biggest priorities, the main things in life, and we are all spending a lot of time with our families, and this is, I'm sure, for good as well.
Very special setting, together with a small circle of highly renowned musicians.
Oder gibt's nur den Zugang?
So, jetzt, wo ist unser Auto?